MYB Advance's Manufacturing Edition is comprised of two core modules, Bill of Materials and Production. The Bill of Materials acts as a basis for production, where we capture costs, materials and labour, and we use that bill during the production cycle. MYB Advance also provides optional modules for our Manufacturing Edition. If your business requires material requirements planning, a product configurator that is both roles-based and includes a pricing roll-up as well as an estimating module, we can provide that directly inside of MYB Advance Cloud ERP. Additionally, we offer advanced planning and scheduling, which would provide finite capacity, planning and scheduling, as well as shop floor data collection and product manufacturing. Picture it as a common MYB Advance manufacturing workflow. You can see that in a make-to-order scenario, we might start with a sales order and move that into a production order. Of course, make-to-stock, we could simply start with a production order. We do support engineer-to-order, configure-to-order, job shop, repetitive batch, and beyond. This visual also highlights how labour, purchasing, and inventory are all integrated throughout the seamless manufacturing workflow. Taking a look at the demo system for Rapid Byte headquarters on the Manufacturing Edition, we have a dashboard set up for the Production Manager. Dashboards are designed to suit the users, so in this case, logging in as the Production Manager, you are presented with this dashboard. It shows us various titles, such as late production orders, past due operations, and what has been released today, based on a pie chart. Here we have a work centre utilisation for the factory, highlighting the factory utilisation on the 1st and 2nd of February. The same utilisation can be seen here for the quarry. Scrolling down, you can see labour variances, material variances, orders not started, and orders to review. All dashboards are designed to be interactive, so you can drill down into them and access the required information you want. The menu panel reflects the most recent used options. Looking under the More Items option, we will see the various manufacturing-related menu options. Starting with the Bill of Materials. The Bill of Materials is the crux of the Manufacturing Edition. The bill of material not only consists of material inventory items, but also machines that may be used within the factory and even specialized tools. Overhead items can also be included. The bill of material also defines the work center or centers through which the production process will travel. Looking at production orders, once a production order is created from a bill of material, it is moved through the defined work centres attracting material and labour. Shop floor data collection facilitates these transactions via a mobile device. The Material Requirements Planning module is used to determine the source of materials, options being purchase, manufacture or transfer. The optional manufacturing modules consist of the Product Configurator, which facilitates a rules-based system to configure and build custom items to order. The Estimating module provides the ability to create quick and detailed manufacturing estimates for improved estimate accuracy and turnaround times. Users can accurately calculate costs and prices for new or existing parts using material costs, work centre rates, overheads, and other data. It integrates with customer management, sales order, bill of material, and production management. The production module also includes optional features such as the Advanced Planning and Schedule module, which allows you to manage and monitor your shop floor schedule. The Advanced Planning Schedule provides the following capabilities: finite capacity scheduling, rough cut capacity planning, work centre schedules and utilisation, machine schedule and utilisation, tool scheduling and usage. Production transactions may be entered using a handheld device supporting the MYOB Advanced mobile app, similar to transactions for sale orders, purchasing, and inventory. Engineering change control is an essential requirement for maintaining control of manufacturing master data in a rapidly changing world. The primary purpose of engineering change control is to control changes to bill of materials. You can track pending changes and review change history, coordinate with purchasing, production, and inventory, manage version control and update to bill of materials and routings, and control effectivity dates that specify when changes take effect. That concludes this brief introduction to MYOB Advanced Manufacturing Edition. Get in contact with Momentum today to learn more.